Okay, so I'm going to talk about how to really using the NPGS system for the even lithography. So assuming you have already done everything, so you are going to load your samples. So this is super simple. You load the sample on it, and then the first thing you just turn on the machine and put your sample right under it. So turn on the guns. Um, so this is exactly the same as you do the SCM. Right over here, there's something you want to switch on. So there's NPGS blanker control signal, and there is a EDAX and NPGS switch box. So you switch everything to the NPGS. And here, this is a picoammeters. So make sure this is a read 0. If it's not 0, just press this relative, REL. Then there is RGL, and this becomes 0. Okay, down here on the menus, you just go to the picoammeter switch to the sample external picoammeters. So they're going to switch, and there's just everything's the same. But now, if you go back and see the external picoammeters, they have some readings. Right now, it's reading 24.9 picoamps. So you're going to do all the measurement of the beam current over a Faraday cup. So just find the Faraday cup and zoom all the way in. So now this is a Faraday cup, and you're going to find the edge and basically focus on the edges, and then change the working distance to the distance you are going to work on. So usually it's about 15 or 10. So focus everything on, and then measure the beam at the beam intensity you are going to use. Make sure for the e-beam lithography, we will want to use the 30 kilovolts. So instead of 10 or 5, so we want to use the highest voltage as possible. So then the next thing we're going to do is write down the beam current under your logbook. So this is something you want to keep it on all the time. So after everything is done, so you're going to move the stage all the way to your sample. So right now you can see the sample is not aligned well, so we want to align it with the UV tools in the stage control. So this is a vertical, so you want to click it, and then you can drag vertical horizontal lines over there, and once you press it, so the system is going to align your wafers onto your on the horizontal axis. So then that's fine. So next thing we want to do focus. So the focus, you want to basically focus your samples well and make sure the stigmations, the other things has already been checked. So the next thing is optional, but sometimes it's easier to do and have a better control. So this is called autofocus. So in order to do the autofocus, you just on the NPGS menus into the digital stage control. All right, in the command digital stage control. So over here, so you just click on it. I'm sorry, here, digital stage control. Click it. So it's going to show. Okay, there is some stuff entering the offset. So you just ignore it. Just hit enter. So this is old data. You just also ignore it. Click enter and acquire new data. Once the new data is there, so basically what the system is going to do is they're going to focus on different spots. So you're going to focus on different spot and acquire a different spot over there by pressing the spacebar. Once you press it 4 times, you press enter, so everything is going to inside. So right now, actually, we have ABC is already in. So this is AX plus BY plus C. So that is your focus, because assuming you have a flat wafers, right? So you're going to use it by press enter, and then you can press enter again, or just press the ESC to quit. So now everything is inside the system, is stored. So next thing, we're going to prepare the run file. So as this is going to be faster, so forward. So everything you should do it with your own computer. So everything is going to be there. So once the thing is complete, so you can run the files. But before running the files, make sure you switch to NPGS control mode and then press run, so the system is going to run and write the samples as they need it. So here they actually have a space bar, but you need to press it on the space bar. Okay, so they're going to write the samples. So once you write the samples,
so
you can see,
after you're done, you're taking off your samples.
You have a readings on the on this, and then
Switching
everything
the
is done.
NPGS
So
back.
you unload the samples,
Switch this
and
to
you
evac
switch
mode.
everything back to
And
normal mode, and switch
switching here
the beam blanker, also a beam current,
picoammeter
also to the internal picoammeter.
Okay, and then everything's
and then
good.
you undo
And
the samples, and that
goes
is
to the
going to
standard
end your session of